So yeah, kia ora, my name's Lindsay John or LJ Clark. I'm currently the Environs Manager for Te Roroa Group. We're lucky enough to be able to walk in the footsteps of some of our tupuna. We're lucky enough to follow in their footsteps in stewardship or Kaitiakitanga o te whenua. And so that's been an inspiring and motivating factor. It's given us a real sense of pride. We get the instant benefit of a paycheck every fortnight, but we get that holistic benefit where their whānau, their children get to prosper in an otherwise impoverished part of Te Tai Tokara. I'd love to see the momentum that we've built continue. I'd love to see that snowball into a healthy and happy environment. I'd love to continue employing people and see that pride in their stride, when they're walking the whenua, that they've done a lot of this mahi, and we've controlled hundreds of hectares of the whenua in terms of pest weeds and wilding pines, and it's great to look out upon those blocks and see the efforts of their mahi. And we've been very appreciative of Kaimahi for Nature for providing those opportunities.